Emma Obibia Akwaba Emma Gypsy News. Hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm a Bremo. A year Listowel, Nana Puku, Wakasana, Wadi, and Simbi Atuga. A year Brantibia, war a year Ashanti region. Now, Susa, a year MP before when a youth organizer, or the Simbi Atuga, a year Listowel, the Ama Listowel, Atubi, Amano, as I'm on the now, answer the call and send you Minano. Let's say, so we can subscribe to the channel now. Let's say, oh, best subscribe. Or click the subscribe button. Now, belly notification. We are the video for be upload no also with sa ebekabi afobia na like video my thumbs up na fi wa share ma afoforo so enye bi hwe afi yoko sinimo eye Listowel ni bu afie pa ene de to say na kuma wa to be the money eye sa branching one friend eye Raphael na so say wa Ashanti region ye youth organizer now to say eye branching we per se we dey tabatawa ba eye John Dramani Mahama any asantifontem na Listowel chese AS branching way on the last warning and or day man no one be ba Ashanti go na obetiki action or the Okatakyie Mensah Afrifa kan ho saso and ye Osei Mensah Bonsu or to be mane ono so na wo chese asantifo or peso chese asantifo eta John Dramani Mahama aye hwe mo aye Mahama aye wo hono aye fa tutu ba wo ne abifo den na won ti aye wo hono to be say Listowel the do Afriyie papa enye asem ketwa na Listowel e di ensem bebre nara e de tudwa yensem no e bi tie ensem aye Listowel e di tudwa yentie ne ensem na wo de e tudwa.
Let me send the signal to Minua Raphael. I don't like to be doing some of these things on air. I wish I could do it behind the scenes, but because his tendencies are always out there trying to make a clash between Asantes and John Mahama. No? Raphael, let me tell you, you are warned. Yebekba kumasi ho. Waikoye Joyce Mukta Bawa. Post. On the it's him. It's always coming from him. And it's coming on my WhatsApp. Okay. He is warned. And the next time, you to organize Ashanti region, I'm telling you, Raphael, and it's your last warning. You dare me, and I will let you know where you belong. Because asantimemuno, sabiye wura, ni rampen kwasi asem. Ye ji obia. Ebi kura wo nam ha obia ye fiusa ya asantini, ebi kura na anya asantini. Ye ji obia ye ji awoho. If you try onene mi nua Okatakyie, what bo hini din e de aka asem afidie so. Ohene dislikes and detests such things. Yen for hini din ma badwam. Na obia ni wonom a Wahine sabi wadi nanim aye form aye doormat ya okotena wo kasa fidie so a sabi wo abesini na motete ho na modi ohine ho few se onyansani kasmet ne kwasia no na ka same way because me I've had to suffer one or two ayibia akwai to say ye ka santifo ho asem a I let go anya ne sa sometimes I do that for the purpose of peace because me biema no ahwa Minua no kura na asma be catch on umpe.
Na Raphael no. One anti Mukta Bawa a obey issue statement no.
Yes.
On the Sunday.
On the Sunday me. And he has done that consistently.
So which means on yes.
On yeah. Okay, John Mahama, a biom kofa o UTV say John Mahama kase tia santifo no. He is the same person that sent it to me. Ono so na dey to the Facebook page.
I see.
And he is the one that has been behind all that. Raphael, I'm telling you this because this can have a national clash. You are a young boy to suffer anything from me. Very young. And you bawomia way of free wenti na ba be gina on made asantifo ani ma be twitw from. Unnim na so yes akwasiade ni biem. Na sese bi wo de beto me phone so. And now the kwato obi afon so. Ni mu jimi na mu hwe nyansa na. Mu de MPP nti jimi when na pe asantifo asem che John Mahama. Say the Akufo-Addo ye ya otiso edunsini. Hwe tremade a waye no asantimem ho. Samyadia bawomia ya ono no awudi nachi fui mudi nachi no samyadia waye wasantime
watching juicy news on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching juicy news on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Ni biem de beto me phone so ade a me de be ye wo Ghana ha no ani asantime ho no original executive na wo ye no ahwa wo sina asantime ho. It is the last warning I'm issuing to you. And for mensia ana asanti din e matter politics wo biem unim na ye sade ni biem. Now the Bekasa John Mahama and what asante for asema obeti no wasum no ene wo kwasi MPP na mu gire na jimi na mu hunya sada se mu betina won ma to ne ma asentime mu a ekwasi asem kwa na mu ni wo se che mensa Bonsu no mu to wa mu di no mu de mu fa asante din enya politics mu fa asante ye din enya politics na ye be hwesa kro no mu besini mu a ni mu anu asina sini ni mu hu fi ya mu fa nsu enyansa jo Mahama ne na mo no e de na waye no asantime mu a e che jo Mahama Tiame, was that time as Bonsu na Nusina, Nano, sorry, I didn't have atem. Who didn't have atem? Hewano, never when him, never tough when him, never when you woman, wine or say, fantasy did not attempt. That is the last time I will ever speak on this matter. The next time is an action. Let me just refer it. Let me just refer it.
Say, sir, I said, don't get your tape, Omo na yes ade no Jubilee House o eno mo feki e no mo de beto abonte omo edit e omo wie na omo sa koye second one bi na de ya
hwe
de ya UTV so de na omo koye edit no Jubilee House
yes UTV de ni
so ade a omo aseda se omo beye
hwe
I see
UTV de no was sent to me on 13th
on one send e
on one kasa 13th April or Sunday, and I say it's a perfect advice from John Mahama.
Even though you wouldn't say,
I knew I was just playing just so that he would do more. But I realized that according to say 10 Biano, they are at him. For example, Obeka said John Mahama ko Kumasi ko can say, Yenuanum yede a friend is saying, Good cry ya kwan on Beka say in reference to MPP4, these are the same stupid boys and stupid useless guys. Or say Mensah na Nusnino went about saying so on Asante 4. John Mahama on Asante 4 competition. Only MPP and eco competition. And Oka says maybe yaka kwan krana yenuanum on Beka say yenuanum in reference to MPP4. Other John Mahama has he ever mensed West discussing the MPP? And has John Mahama ever decided say he will even have anything to compete with any Asante? And I busa say, Muna Musimo do Asante man no. Asante man ko so no. Ye banes ye yi ne metim a. Mon said ye maye. Mo fin. Oh, they give me the reason to be very positive. Oh, Kwabena media adia michi wo wiasem ni say me me tribe and I say me religion and I say me status in life. Ebe denigrate me nua bi and I say ebe clash heads. One na mo about me sorry ah. What go Pentecost sorry them munafiki. Munafiki why would you be proud to be a Muslim?
Because omunye bibia wa Ashanti.
Woni hwe
ye. Apart from inciting
like as Asante for your
tribes against tribes, you know. Say ujai womo even on Facebook when they come on Facebook. Ujai womo say yenye debate about development.
They have nothing to discuss.
Na Daniel.
Only be
and I know about be kabusa say enti say me ko support John Mahama na me ba Ashanti regiment na me say me Ashanti na me imagine say
na the truth of
the matter. E ka den ka ma no pa yen ka asema me ka kire no Facebook no.
Na say my Canada say NPP the smartest political party in Ghana. But almost smartness no is not to build Ghana, but it's to build a party called MPP. MPP for who say we tribal sentiment every more. MPP there's no reason Yenuanam Ashanti region will vote for MPP. They know it. And to omode MPP akwa tachi sebio Asante seni pakuo se nimbio mo de akwa tachi nti wo kaseti MPP wo kaseti Asante man wo kaseti Asante wo kaseti MPP because o make catch say even MPP was formed ewo ayena na Asante himfie
it's over
the mo kan no
it's
over any baby at NDC
meba enti it's like oka MPP a no aka NDC but over the years Omayama Ashanti region be one of the regions me who say they are not smart when it comes to elections. They take a decision for ourselves, you know. They are not smart. Smart is somebody say MPP at me politu mwama. Se nipa na ko school mpokra no a the MPP be ka kire no on verify. say asemo eken eye no kre anase nya no
they take it hook, line and sinker.
Omo a if you omo tu bata kwatena brochiri po a se bi omo ko hu ani bie se de ani bie sitie no some MPP ka asemo a na they don't verify. Because of that, MPP ama Ashanti region a no-go area for any radio station or TV station or media house to survive in Ashanti region.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Ultimate stations rimu epia. Omo de omaje na say ye kama obi ahu. Omo survive it. Umbeka mo amu stations e Kumasi. Nana how many adverts? And on mobile horn more a free Kumasi one say, yeah, the announcement o'clock. You won't survive. And quickly, or move some here smart and it's over BS station. Ukrainian will say, whoa, our baby station. No, this is your editorial, this is your agenda. Now say is going to expose MPP quickly. Or mobile work here making sure so more crop for a better hijack station. No, you be the station owner. But in Crawford, or Moka Semono, they are same as in Crawford office or Moncanocre. 2019 Okatakyie Juma 2020 I was there munyina moko ho omama santri because they don't want the people to know the truth and ntino omunya ka me say last me koye lady amemi ko school Kumasi na me mtifi o hashtag obi a wako school na nakodu tertiary level mi kodu ye na me ko ofie kosra omo ana odi machi di me ba ye hotel ntie ye ti wonu edidi nkomo no na omu yinus na Mahama na me de Mahama kra de me hu na me bu afu me pese me hu no kra e de na ope owiase e de na oje president oba be dibi e de ebiem e de ani bre no na de bre no sikasa no se sebi ni papa Agyapade kra obewudi agya no na obi fa menya sure say ko be kasa sa ni bre no nti owie na me busa ne say e de na Mahama ye na Mahama de na ope bio na am so okay Kumasi Kate market no nya bi ma ope no hwemenim retro park and wunya bia ope asphalt ya Mahama be obegui ashtan say quantity to munya bia mope e blocks are osisi Ashanti region munya bia mope o se na say ne de say na school de obi ahia school na me say osu hia school de ade nti obi oba be see school no be see Ketia market no be see retro park na o so oba biom na o mo ani nyi so oba no oba na mo obi onya bi ma wo ne de
woni ma de bia wa Ashanti region and I'm telling you this on say region no super ena enkrofo tukwai ebe bobra woni mi say ye wo MPP nipa no be obi ti say wuntumi say on hwe a wo hia na beka so ahia Asante oh so make asaba kire wonto trust me those omo ya Asante for kan kasa kan pa no they know Akufo-Addo.
Nana.
But let me finish. They don't vote. It's my region. I know. They don't even consider Akufo-Addo so we are say. Omo ya kan ya kan unim kan.
Yes. Nana unim dey tia medal. Unim dey tia medal to
let me finish. Different of no. Yeah. Unim say obi ti say sampan. Na yo bia say ya Asante. Make me a chiro enipa bebre wo MPP mu Ashanti regional MPP for no cry your imagine say omo ya Ashantis omo nya Ashanti for we know just that ehun hia say obeka ehun asem bebre atukofo atukotenafo no a wo matu abetra Ashanti region no ana wo madane wo mo ho asan ebi na Listowel ka no Raphael minim Raphael pa make me a tell Raphael ase minim no awa Muhammad kura to be catch say on your one figures into your Asante che I can show you thousands na say Samioku first man Samioku so your Asante Samioku do or born home ra so your Asante so we know and but omu misbehave pa na esa so mo Kumasi na Asante region no ma kwotete the Asante tribe nachi
yo iti for winning and some year Listowel edit to judge me said the book Afriyie pa what the warning kobo ene dia ma eye Raphael Owusu say wo Ashanti region one youth organizer Simbia or keka na wo pese wo den tawantawa ba eye John Dramani Mahama ene Asante 14 ɛno na Listowel de bo ɛnyo so ɔtutu bi ma na ɛno sa ma no bɔne sɛ obe take action against ɛyɛ saa abranteɛ wei because say GC News so ɛna wo hwɛ nti wonya subscribe ya message say obe subscribe obe like na wa share video no ama ofofo so ɛnya bi ahwɛ wo so obetimi akyerɛ wadwenya fa sɛ wo nyina ho ɛwɔ comment box wo bɛte me ka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.